Dramatic first at the Naval Postgraduate School. A team of robotics researchers launched 50 drones in the air at one time. Project leaders say with this done, they're on track to grow the economy and even save lives. With more on what this all means, we're joined by News Channel 5's Jake Reiner, who is live at Camp Roberts tonight. Jake?
Yeah, Amanda, they're lightweight, they're relatively inexpensive, and they're extremely intelligent. So sending 50 of these drones up into the air all at once, being controlled by the built-in technology that they have with them, the NPS researchers said, why not? One after the other, up they go, a swarm of drones.
From the time the first aircraft launches, it's a ticking timer.
Event 24, mission 36.
Sending 50 of these fixed-wing unmanned aerial vehicles into the air is one thing, but beating the battery life of 45 minutes is another, and not to mention the old bungee system.
It took between a minute and a minute and a half to launch each aircraft. For 50, it takes 75 minutes to launch them.
That's where Lieutenant Raymond Davis comes in. He co-designed this automated launcher as a part of his thesis at NPS, cutting the time down significantly.
It's capable of launching every 3 seconds. And once we automate more processes, we'll continue to chip away until we can eventually get down to that.
We got 2 braking here, I think.
So now that they're up there, what are the UAVs doing?
In this case, it's the follow the leader game. Instead of now saying you follow that person and you follow that person, right now all we do is say figure out amongst yourselves who the leader should be, who's at the head of the line. In this case, it turns out to be the highest flying altitude guy. And that robot now is elected to be the leader.
Monitor, please send 21, UAV 21 for land A.
They essentially fly on their own, constantly monitored from this control room area. The mission is a success, but the goal is to use swarms to help save lives.
Maybe to be able to find that lost vessel at sea or the stranded hikers in the woods, being able to take advantage of large numbers to be able to find them in faster time, and every minute counts when it comes to those types of applications.
In the interest of safety, one of these unmanned aerial vehicles weighs less than 5 pounds, so if it goes down into a field, it's not going to necessarily hurt anyone. Another cool thing is the fact that a lot of these parts are made with 3D printing, like the part that holds the camera in place is made from a 3D printer. While the launch pad did its job,
50 launches, no launch errors.
Battery life became an issue near the end as some came down in the field instead of the runway. Now, NPS researchers say they want to enhance the technology by allowing them to fly longer in the air. They also want to make it possible for the drones to signal back to a base control camp when they find something that they're programmed to look for. For now, I'm live at Camp Roberts. Jake Reiner, News Channel 5, your Central Coast news source.